I address it two ways. First of all, when you encounter law enforcement officers of any kind,
Yes, sir.
regardless of what color they are, if they're supposed to be a law enforcement officer,
Yes, sir.
don't fuss,
Don't
fight,
Yes, sir.
and don't flee. Those 3 F's. Don't fuss. Don't start any kind of argument at all or participate in an argument. Just be quiet. Do what you're told. Answer questions. Don't make a fuss. Don't start talking about what your rights are and all like that. Don't make a fuss. And don't fight. Don't start, if you're grabbed and all like that, don't start fighting and swinging like you're on a playground, in the 3rd grade, or you're in some type of contest in a boxing match.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. And number 3, don't flee. Don't fuss, don't fight, and don't flee. Don't start running. When the person told you, stand still, and you took off running. Now, why not do these 3 things? Because they usually don't work. That's why. Everything in codification is about something that works. Do something that works. That has been proven not to work. So get in that frame of mind. Whatever the problem is, you take care of this at a later time. Now is not the time to fuss, to fight, or to flee. And that's the way you look at it. Every person, particularly of color, should have that cemented in your mind right now so that we don't keep having these controversies over and over again, because it's likely to happen. Ugly things are likely to happen if you do one of those 3 things, or all 3. Don't fuss, don't fight, and don't flee when you are encountered by a law enforcement officer. If he tells you to get down on your knees, even though you got terrible knees, try to do the best you can. Try to do it as best you can. Why? Because you are in the prison system of white supremacy. And these things happen. They happen over and over again.
Yes, sir.
Keep that in mind.